Welcome to this lesson on the START codon. Today, we're exploring AUG, the three-letter signal that begins protein synthesis in all living organisms. This codon marks the starting point where the genetic instructions in messenger RNA are translated into functional proteins. Understanding the START codon is fundamental to grasping how cells build the proteins they need to survive and function. A START codon is a specific three-nucleotide sequence found on messenger RNA. Its primary function is to signal where translation begins. Think of it as a molecular starting line that tells the cellular machinery exactly where to begin reading the genetic code. Without this signal, the ribosome wouldn't know where to start building the protein, and the entire translation process would fail. The universal START codon is AUG, which stands for adenine, uracil, and guanine. These are three of the four nucleotide bases found in RNA. What makes AUG remarkable is its universality. From bacteria to humans, nearly all organisms use this exact same three-letter sequence to initiate protein synthesis. This universal nature highlights the shared evolutionary origin of all life on Earth. The AUG codon codes for the amino acid methionine, abbreviated as MET. Methionine has a special role because it becomes the first amino acid in every newly synthesized protein. After the protein is made, this initial methionine is sometimes removed or modified, but it always starts the chain. This means that every protein in your body began its existence with methionine at the front. AUG serves a dual role in protein synthesis. First, it acts as a start signal, marking the exact position where translation should begin. Second, it codes for the amino acid methionine within the protein sequence. This means that AUG can appear multiple times in an mRNA molecule. The first AUG serves as the START codon, while any additional AUG sequences simply add methionine to the growing protein chain. The translation process begins in 4 key steps. First, the ribosome binds to the messenger RNA molecule. Second, the ribosome scans along the mRNA searching for the AUG START codon. Third, once AUG is found, a special initiator transfer RNA carrying methionine arrives and binds to the START codon. Fourth, with everything in place, translation officially begins, and the ribosome starts building the protein chain one amino acid at a time. Let's review 3 key facts about AUG first. It is found in all living organisms, from the simplest bacteria to complex multicellular organisms like humans. Second, it is specifically recognized by initiator transfer RNA, a specialized molecule that only binds at the start position. Third, AUG is absolutely essential for protein synthesis. Without it, cells cannot produce the thousands of different proteins they need to maintain life. In summary, AUG is the universal start signal that begins every protein with the amino acid methionine. It serves as the molecular starting point that allows ribosomes to accurately translate genetic information into functional proteins. Understanding the START codon is crucial for comprehending how genetic information flows from DNA to RNA to proteins, the central dogma of molecular biology. This simple 3-letter code is fundamental to all life on Earth.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.